Hello world, Adele here and welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are staying safe, staying healthy, and staying home. So as you can see from the title, today I am sharing my wash and go routine. It's a super quick, super lazy routine that I've been doing for years. As of lately, I haven't been as motivated to really spend too much time on my hair. And as you guys know, I haven't cut my hair in quite some time. It's been over a year at this point and it really needs a trim. But either way, I bought a few of these items a few weeks ago. Some of them are new in my routine. Some of them I've been using for years, but I basically grabbed whatever I can get. So if you want to see how I achieved this look right here, keep watching. I've had my hair up in a bun for quite a few days, and at this point it was time for a much needed wash. My ends were super dry, my hair just felt nasty. I was like, okay, enough of this, stop procrastinating and get your butt in the shower and wash this out. So of course I started off with a shampoo, and I went with Not Your Mother's Natural Tahitian Gardenia Flower and Mango Butter Curl Defining Shampoo. That is a mouthful. Wow. And I have to say, I've used it about 3 or 4 times and I really like the results. I feel like my hair is super moisturized. It really does define your curls. The scent is extremely tropical and a little bit bubblegummy. Not necessarily my favorite scent in the world, but I did want to give this shampoo a try. I've heard nothing but good things about it. So this shampoo is sulfate free, silicone free, paraben free, dye free, gluten free. I really like that this shampoo also lathers. I feel like the lather makes me feel like I'm actually cleaning my hair. So as you can see, I basically start off in the roots with washing, making sure my scalp is nice and clean. I usually do this 2 to 3 times and kind of let the shampoo just run down the ends of my hair. I don't want to dry my ends out too much, so I don't really put too much on my ends. Then after I've shampooed my hair 2 to 3 times, I tend to go in with this Shea Moisture Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask with sea kelp and argan oil. Now this product I have been using for a few years now. I love the way this product smells. It smells natural, super clean. The consistency of the mask as well is super thick, so I feel like it's really penetrating my hair, giving it the moisture it needs. I sit with this for about 5 to 10 minutes. If I have time, I will just sit under the hair dryer for a little bit, but usually I don't like to spend that long on my hair routine. So my wash and goes are pretty simple, but I always do some sort of deep treatment or mask when washing my hair. I just don't go from shampoo to conditioner anymore. I've learned that the hard way. Skipping this for me is just gonna really make my hair feel like straw. So I never skip off on a deep treatment, some sort of deep treatment mask when I'm in the shower. I only sit with it for about 5 to 10 minutes, turn the water off, and kind of just sit in my thoughts. After letting the mask sit for about 5 to 10 minutes, I go in and detangle with my trusty Denman brush. Okay, so I think every curly girl has this brush. Of course, it makes your hair super defined. The wide tooth comb for me just takes too long, it takes forever. I need to section my hair off more, and I'm just not for it. I like my routine to be super quick and simple. So the Denman brush has been a go-to for what, 3 to 4 years now. Of course, when detangling, I'm also sectioning my hair in 4 parts. I don't know why, but I always start with the front left section of my hair when I'm detangling. It's just my go-to. I think also because this side of my head is a lot easier to detangle. The curls are softer than the right side of my head. These curls are a lot easier and smoother to detangle, so I, for some reason, just always start with the left and then go down to the bottom. Of course, starting at the ends of my hair and then working my way up. After detangling, I wash the mask out completely and then go in with my Garnier Whole Blends Repairing Conditioner, Honey Treasures. I love this conditioner. I've been using it for a year now. I love the way it smells. It smells so fresh. It's so creamy, very thick. I feel like my hair just needs that kind of moisture all the time. This formula just works perfectly. It also has a lot of slip in it, so it makes my hair super easy to detangle. And by this point, I'm already finger detangling my hair. It just softens everything up, and I kind of work it into my scalp, give myself a nice little massage, and sit with it for about 2 to 3 minutes. After sitting with the conditioner for 2 to 3 minutes, I tend to wash the conditioner off with some cool water. I tend to go a little bit cooler towards the end of my wash and make sure all the moisture is kind of locked in there. Then I wrap my hair up in a microfiber towel as I finish up my shower. Once I get out of the shower, I then like to go in with a leave-in conditioner, and I always go for this Cantu Shea Butter Conditioner and Repair Cream. So I section my hair off and work this in from root to tip completely, mostly on my ends because my ends are extremely dry and will be falling off pretty soon. But this cream has always been a go-to. Smells fresh. Cantu products are, I think, some of the best for curls, especially my type of curl, my curl pattern, and the porosity of my hair. My hair is super thick and super dry, so I need something that is gonna work, that is gonna penetrate, that isn't too light. So I feel like this definitely moisturizes my hair, it defines it. Then after working that leave-in conditioner, I go in with a little bit of oil. I go for this argan oil. Argan oil has always been great to my hair. I feel like it keeps it shiny, it keeps it moisturized, it kind of locks everything in for me. So it's always been a favorite for, I would say, the past 10 years. Even before I went natural and so straightened my hair, I wasn't chemically straightening it after high school anymore, but whenever I would go to the hair salon and get my rolos and get my hair blow dried and then flat ironed, I always just like to use argan oil, and I had whoever was doing my hair kind of put a little bit of that in it. It kept it from being too dry or completely falling off. I was also bleaching my hair at that point. I've gone through so many hair phases, it's not even funny. After the oil, I go in for this Eco Styler gel. Now this is my favorite. It really has been my favorite. I've been using it for 5 years, I want to say 5 to 6 years. It's worked wonders for me. It holds my curls. It does have a little bit of a cast, but once that dries, you kind of just scrunch it up and that is gone. I don't feel like it leaves my hair flaky at all. Some people complain that it leaves their hair flaky or they feel like their hair is dry. That is not the case for me. I always go for the one with olive oil as well. It may be a mental thing. I don't think it's that much healthier than the other Eco Styler gels, but I just love this product. And then I also work a little bit on my edges. I also love this when I'm doing any type of hairstyle, protective hairstyles. For my wash and goes, I tend to rub some in my hands and kind of just scrunch up. So these are the results of my wash and go routine. Today is the next day, so I did let my hair completely air dry, and at night I did wrap it up in a silk scarf, up in a pineapple, and slept with it like that. And yeah, once I brought it down, I kind of just fluff it up a little bit, fluff up the roots. That is it. So that is my wash and go routine using drugstore products. These are products you can find at your Walgreens, CVS, Rite Aid, Duane Reade. They're affordable as well. If you like this wash and go routine, please give this video a thumbs up. If you guys have any recommendations for products that I can use, please let me know in the comments below. And thank you guys so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye. So that is my wash and go routine. Very affordable as well. Once I get it out of but after sitting with the conditioner for 2 to 3 minutes, after sitting with the conditioner for